Hey guys, this is KJOS and this right here is the Google Home. Now this baby was released in November 2016 for about $100, and at that time it was a nice little gift for a lot of people during that Christmas period. And 4 years down the line, I can confidently say that this is one of the first few tech purchases that I've made that has stood with me till this very day. So in this video, I'm just going to be reviewing it and giving my general thoughts about the device. And since Christmas is upon us in a couple of months, this can be a nice gift for your loved ones and your friends. So let's get this party started. Alright, before we go forward in this video, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I am so close to 1,000 subs, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified when I drop videos like this every week. Also, you can check out my Patreon account in the description below. It has all the links to all my videos, behind the scenes, and so many more. If you want to support your boy, just check out the description below. And now that's out of the way, let's get into this video. Moving on, first things first, the Google Home is a very intimate and personal device. It was made for only one user and only one user alone. So if you're going to buy this for family use or for multiple people, it's not really the best option. For one, Google Assistant only recognizes one voice that's been set in terms of setting reminders or checking schedules or even adding things to your grocery list. So for example, if your wife or husband adds things to their grocery list, it actually adds to yours and not theirs. Speaking of speakers, the sound quality is pretty loud and it's pretty good. It can really satisfy almost everyone, but this does not replace proper speakers that can drive a house party in your house. This is for like a bedroom or a living room or a small space within your household. Like I said earlier, it's a very personal device and it supports most, if not all, music streaming platforms that are out there, from Spotify to YouTube Music, Pandora, and so on. So far you can cast it, you're good to go. You can also pair multiple Google Home units together to play simultaneously. You can also send video from your Google Home to your Chromecast. So say you want to see a video or a trailer on YouTube, it can do that without even pressing a button. It's pretty cool. Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, what song is this?
This is Too Bad featuring Amare and Thames by Show Dem Camp featuring Amare and Thames. I've sent more info about this song to your phone.
Hey Google, play 24K Magic by Bruno Mars.
24K Magic by Bruno Mars, sure. Playing on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, stop. The top of the Google Home is a touch panel that lets you adjust the volume, which is nice to do. And it's so nice that I find myself playing with the adjustment volume every now and then. The animation is really clean, so that's good on Google. Long presses to activate the Google Assistant, and it also serves as a pause or play button literally anywhere at the top. So that's also nice too. It has two far-field microphones that can listen to you when you call upon it to ask it for a task. It can also hear you across the room, and it can even hear you at the loudest volume of your music you're listening to. I mean, here for example. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why didn't the melons get married? Because they cantaloupe.
Okay. Hey Google, tell me another joke.
Why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless.
Hey Google, stream the Beats 99.9.
Streaming the Beat 99.9 FM from TuneIn.
Hey Google, stream ESPN Radio.
Streaming ESPN Radio from TuneIn.
Ball is going to finish. I don't know how many games the World Series champ will have played in the rearview mirror, but
Hey Google, find my phone.
I found a few phones. The first listed is your Pixel 3 XL. Should I ring it?
Yes, please.
Alright, your Pixel 3 XL should be ringing now.
The Google Home is powered by Google search engine, so you can ask many things you originally Googled by yourself on your phone or on your laptop. And this also has continuous conversation like the Google Assistant on your phone. Now, the only difference here is you have to say, "Okay Google" or "Hey Google" before you ask it anything. Hey Google, what's the population of New Zealand?
In 2018, its population was 4,885,500.
Hey Google, who is their Prime Minister?
Jacinda Ardern is the Prime Minister of New Zealand.
Hey Google, how old is she?
She's 40 years old.
Nice. Hey Google, who is the President of America?
The President of the United States of America is Donald Trump.
Hey Google, how old is he?
He's 74 years old.
Now, before I forget, there are a few disadvantages of having a Google Home. For one, it's not wireless, so you have to constantly plug it in to use it on a daily basis. And number two, you can't make calls or send text messages through your speakers. Now, the only thing you can do, or the only thing you're allowed to do, is make calls through the Google Duos app. And who really uses Google Duos in 2020? So is this speaker for you? Well, if you're looking for something with a little more bass and a little more volume, you might want to go for the JBL Flip 4, which is around the same price. But if you're looking for great quality speakers that has Google Assistant and a form factor that just blends into your working space or your house, this is a great choice for you. It is so great that I decided to buy two. So I have one in my bedroom and one in my living room. I like it that much. So that's my take on the Google Home. Now, what smart speakers do you have in your house? Comment below and let me know. Thank you guys for watching. My name is KJOS, and I'll catch you guys on the next one where we talk all things tech.